Real talk, real people.
Yes. When we first saw this place, we were like 3 years पे करेंगे, 2 years पे करेंगे. So finally, we are completing 3 years of labels, and here we are.
Yes. The first show we did, we had like the bestest of brands and the bestest of organizations with us, and it didn't work out because it started raining cats and dogs. Just some organizers who've been in this trade for over 10 years now, and I'm sure they still work hard. ऐसा नहीं कर रहे. But we really put our heart and soul. We don't just look at what we are making. It's more of like,
we want everyone to be happy.
Yes, we do want everyone to be happy. I think partners like us, because I think I can snap so easily. I can so easily lose my cool, so easily say things to people, and you're the one who can really clean my mess.
There's something about those friendships. It's like, low maintenance, no maintenance friendship hoti hai na?
Yeah.
It's that. So even after not meeting them for 2 years, it's like you pick up from where you started.
100%, yeah. That's childhood friends, I think.
Yeah.
एक childhood friends रहता है that I think when we left Hong Kong and Bangkok respectively and got here, that there was a little fear in me कि पता नहीं मैं कितना friends अभी भी हम रहेंगे.
Yeah.
We've been friends for over what? 20 years, approximately, 20 years.
And girl friendships are pure. It's very important, and I think everyone should have that one person they can rely on.
And I'm glad we have each
other. We really do.
So I mean everyone should. So hi Akshi, welcome back after such a long break.
I know it's been a while. I've really missed this place. But also a little difficult to be back from a holiday and get into pace. You tell me, how was it without me?
It was actually very strenuous because ye bhi wo bhi, but
a lot on your plate now.
Yeah, but I guess I knew that once you're back you're going to be loaded with a lot of things, so I was happy that ways. But it was so nice to come to Bangkok actually.
I know. It was very special of you to come for the.
It was really nice.
So
that was really good. Besides that, I think काम ही था यहाँ पे, and Jaipur was Jaipur.
Jaipur, but the weather was behaving.
Yes, it was. It was pretty good that ways. But we've been wanting to do this podcast for the longest time.
I know. Remember when we first saw this place, we were like 3 years pe karenge, 2 years pe karenge. So finally, we are completing 3 years of labels, and here we are.
Yes.
Both Parul and Akshi as like Parul and Akshi.
Real talk, real people. Yes, that's true. But I think we should really tell how we thought of starting this and how we actually got into this.
You really want to?
Yeah, I think we should know. Though the start was already
bumpy. Very
bumpy. It was sort of like कि अब नहीं करेंगे type. But I think it's
I think it was more of destiny, to be very honest with you.
I think randomly अपन ने सोचा था ना क्योंकि let's do a pop-up, let's do a night market.
20 brands, 25 brands. It's going to be a full-on party scene. Shopping, and then we'll have like converted into a party, but here we are.
So then I guess we started off with like, okay, we actually joined hands with an organization, and then we thought, okay, let's make it bigger, and actually that was a good.
But honestly, what were we thinking? It was July, full on monsoon. We thought we were doing some sort of waterproofing, but clearly it didn't work.
It didn't work, We were rigid. I think we were immature. We were rigid.
Definitely.
We thought, nahi, kar lenge. How can we not get this done? I guess that just made it a little difficult for...
Honestly, I've never, at least in Jaipur, I've never heard like shows getting cancelled or like not happening because of the rain.
Yes. I think we should really, our closest ones and most of the people, us being viral, actually have an idea of what happened. But I mean, our listeners who don't know us, they should know that.
I know,
The first show we did, we had like the bestest of brands and the bestest of organizations with us, and it didn't work out because it started raining cats and dogs just minutes into the show.
Just minutes into the show, and just minutes, I think once everything was done, it stopped. It was for those 2 hours when we were just about to start. And the sort of pressure we had, I did not expect the exhibitors to come on to us the way they did.
Yes, that's true. I think we were very young, we were very naive, and we were dealing with exhibitors who were there was no one of our age. They were definitely older.
All, more experienced, older. But I'll have to give it to our families.
Yes,
for being there.
For being patient.
Patient.
For not losing their cool.
No.
So, yeah.
And they really let us handle things, you know.
Yes.
They didn't want to come in between and be like, we'll fix it. Because it was a piece of cake for them to fix everything.
Yeah, to just be like, let's just pay it off. Yeah. But, yeah, then when we actually did manage to pull off another show, it was unreal.
The next morning when I woke up, because I think we had about 15 days to do a show.
2 weeks,
2 weeks, around 15 days. So those 15 days, I'm telling you, were one of the most difficult 15 days of my life.
I'm sure.
I don't think I've dealt stress in a way like I did that time.
100%.
But when I woke up, like once the show was over, it was just like, I think I was a different person.
100%.
I don't know what have I achieved.
Yeah.
Kaise we've achieved it.
I remember very clearly, show हो रहा था, 14 days later, लोग आ रहे हैं. We were immune to whatever was happening. We were just there. We were just watching people do sales, watching people come in. After the show was over, I think the two of us we just had tears in our eyes.
Yeah, it was we just like hugged each other tight, very tight, and we were like, it's over.
It's over. Yeah.
And with so much poisonous.
With so much.
I mean, it was honestly, I don't know कि कैसे pull off हुआ है. क्या was it negative publicity? What was it? I have no idea.
True.
But I would still say for me that was one of the best shows.
That's true. And I think it's made us stronger because इससे बुरा और कुछ
नहीं हो सकता. I think we've seen the worst and honestly अब अपने को बहुत help करता है.
बहुत help करता है. Yeah. I mean, I think also it has given us the strength first of all, and also the fact that we know how to deal with difficulties now.
Yeah.
अपने को पता है how to like get things done. To if this happens, this will happen. We know, we've seen it all, and the fact that rains just don't leave us. It's
now we know it's like
it's like a thing.
Yeah, it's like shubh hai apne liye. It's our third partner
for sure. And I think we've also like established this with our exhibitors.
Yeah, they know, they are immune to it now.
Completely.
कि ठीक है इनका शो है, बारिश आएगी, and I don't think अब कोई panic नहीं create
होता. Yeah.
But also coming from Bangkok. I don't think I've ever been in a situation where I have to deal with such sly people.
That's true.
Because the very small community and you have your people around you, and honestly everyone's wishing the best for you.
100%. Yeah.
So I think I had come from a very, very protected environment.
Yeah, that's true.
And to see that, it actually changed me as a person कि लोग ऐसे भी हो सकते हैं.
Yeah. That's true. And I feel definitely we both were naive, but you were even more, and it was definitely scary to see that, okay, we're panicking, we're losing our cool, and still we couldn't do much about it.
There were always times, if you remember, where I would be like, no, Parul, I don't think we should do it.
Yeah.
But you'll be like, no, we have to do it.
Yeah, we have to do it.
And then sometimes you'll be like, Akshay, we're doing the right thing. And like, no, we have to do it. We don't have any other option.
I think that's the beauty of having a partner. And I think partners like us. Because I think I can snap so easily. I can so easily lose my cool, so easily say things to people. And you're the one who can really clean my mess.
Yeah, let's calm it down.
Yeah.
But I think that really made us stronger, even as partners.
100%.
We've seen, best dekhte hain, sab acha hota, it's fine. But to see the worst with someone, that really, shows the strength, I feel.
100%, yeah. I think we've already dealt with that part. Jab bura ho and being there for each other. I think for those 14 days, it was like और किसी से मिलना ही नहीं है. It's like
we didn't have a social life.
We didn't have a social life.
We didn't even know what it, like we were just like क्या होगा once this is over and क्या those I think वो 14 days ना मेरे लिए 14 महीने के बराबर थे.
Exactly. And we had so much to do. We had so much on our plate, and I think we just knew that okay, एक phone call.
And we had no idea about how to do exhibitions. As in, it was very new to us. That's why at least we had like a partner with us.
Yeah.
We had someone on board with us. But इस time पे it was just us.
Just us, yeah. So we did it, and I think that just gave us the strength of doing bigger shows. वरना अपन वो 15-20 shows में रह जाते.
15-20 भी नहीं. I think वो करते
शायद नहीं करते.
Destiny थी that we had to get into this without having any background.
Yeah.
So I'm really glad that
we did
कि वो हुआ. उसके बाद we are where we are.
And I remember we were talking about this कि इसमें भी कुछ अच्छाई होगी, but that time this used to really irritate us कि अब इसमें क्या अच्छाई होगी.
I know.
So the fact that it did turn out to be well, and it's been 3 years. We've done successful shows, And I think we've always talked about this, we entered at the right time. Now there's so many shows happening, but genuinely I feel we have made a mark for ourselves.
Definitely. I think everyone is well aware of labels now.
Yes.
It's not like a new name.
No, it is not. Yes.
So yeah, and also I think our vision for labels has a lot to do with where we come from.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, that's how we started. Night market was always an Asian, like South Asian thing. You wanted to do it because it's in Bangkok. I wanted to do it because it was in Hong Kong. That's how we started. And I think ठीक है अपने थोड़े timings अपने different कर लिए according to seasons, according to the response that we're getting.
But that's how it all started. We wanted to bring a part of like our childhood, our bit here.
Yeah.
But honestly, coming from there, no, it's like India mein said, how was it? I have been here for almost 10 years now.
Yeah,
I think you also the same. So how was the transition?
Honestly, I think now that when I come to think of it, it feels like kaise kiya, kyun kiya, but and now
especially when we go back,
yes.
Whenever I land and I'm like, what was I thinking?
Yeah, that's true. And I think that feeling of home is always there, even though you've been here for so many years, you've had kids, you've had your family, you've had your husbands, everyone's here, and now a social circle, but that feeling of home is always there. And I think I realized that the most during COVID, because we all couldn't go back for like 2.5 years. That's probably the longest we've been away from home. So that's when you actually realize the small bits that you miss, and the adjustments you had to do to be here. And like you said, यहाँ thinking अलग है, यहाँ mentality is different, which I think only people who've lived there for so many years can realize. I'm sure girls who are from here and they get married and head to Hong Kong or Bangkok, उनको भी अलग लगता होगा. But for us, I think we go backward.
Yeah.
Like थोड़ा सा
yeah, honestly, I think I feel that with Arjun also.
Yeah.
Like, you know, I've been brought up there, and now him, like, I feel like maybe even 20-25 years back, I was in a better environment than he 100%. Is right now.
Yeah.
So that is a little scary, but nonetheless, like 10 years mein Jaipur has changed a lot. But also I think because we were very young when we adjusted.
100%.
Like when we moved here, so we adjusted. Nahi to if you tell like a 30-year-old to come from such countries to here.
Adjust, you know,
no.
There's no life. Especially, I mean, when it comes to professional. Professionally, you cannot do much.
Yeah.
Except businesses. Like, and I think Hong Kong, Bangkok, dono mein concepts was always service industry, job and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So girls, if they want to come here and think about remotely working or stuff like that, वो यहाँ पे possible ही नहीं है. Service industry में. Businesses definitely maybe much better than there. But again, जल्दी शादी हो गई, वापस आ गए यहाँ पे.
But I feel like होना था तो जल्दी शादी हो गई, तो it was a blessing in disguise.
तो ही हुआ है.
नहीं तो it was very difficult for any. Not, I feel it's just. It's not us, like we've moved.
Yeah.
Even if you tell like a person who's been living in India and who's almost 30, 32 to adjust now to things, they'll not be able.
Yeah, 100%. And I feel this is what we've always heard from our elders also.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's
बोलते थे ना जल्दी शादी कर दो.
So
I think this was
mold हो जाए. True. That's true. And again, now I think it's vice versa.
No, but things are changing again. Like I know a lot of younger people who at the age of like 24, 25 want to settle down.
100%. Yeah. And honestly, there's a lot of difference between our friend circle also.
Yeah.
Because I mean, your friends are all
mine. Yeah, they're all
kids.
Married, all having kids.
Yeah.
I think yours are hardly married.
Yeah. They're like looking for suitors, or probably now gonna plan for a baby if there's some of them who are married. So there's a difference between us also when it comes to
when I go back to Bangkok this time, my entire trip was all about babies, cute babies all around me. But you know, honestly, like you just said, COVID, I think I missed very, very special occasions. One of my friend got married.
Yeah.
One of my friend got engaged.
Yeah.
I was expecting.
Yes.
I could not see my parents for 2 years.
For 2 years.
I could not go for 2 years. That, like you said, was the longest. But still, you know, there's something about those friendships. It's like, you know, low maintenance, no maintenance friendship hoti hai na?
Yeah.
It's that. So even after not meeting them for 2 years, it's like you pick up from where you started.
100%, yeah. That's childhood friends, I think.
Yeah.
एक childhood friends रहता है that you have that, I don't know, you have that thing. It's a little pure, you know. It doesn't require dena. It doesn't require a lot of questions.
No
it's
thinking.
Just no thinking.
No thinking. Like, even for labels we've discussed, you know,
Yes.
like we don't have school friends here.
100%.
I mean, we have great friends
We
here.
have great friends, 100%. Yeah.
Yeah, but school friends एक होता है ना कि चल ठीक है यार, like
Yeah, I mean, there's this. I think this is with everybody. You need to
Yeah.
have that school friends wala touch, and geographical distance has not stopped us from
No.
keeping in touch. Of course, there's some moments where you feel like, of course, wo
Definitely,
hote,
there are
hum wahan
events.
hote, so it would have been nice.
but I think WhatsApp is a blessing.
WhatsApp is a blessing, yeah. And kahin na kahin, the fact that we have managed to maintain that friendship has made it stronger. I think when we left Hong Kong and Bangkok respectively and got here, that there was a little fear in me कि पता नहीं मैं कितना friends अभी भी हम रहेंगे,
Yeah.
will I still be able to catch up, will I still be able to be as good friends as I was, especially with the closest ones.
Yeah.
But it's funny how it didn't require a lot.
It doesn't.
Yeah.
I think that's the beauty of it. And like honestly, I'll not say that I've not had ups and downs with my friends over there. We've had it. I think it's a part of it. But again, because I think there is so much innocence and purity in your, you know, school friendships that you always bounce back.
Yes, 100%. And that we've been blessed with great friends, so that's true.
एक होता है ना no maintenance, low maintenance वाला चीज. I feel that that's really something for me that I look for, and I'll not say कि मेरे यहाँ पे ऐसे दोस्त नहीं हैं. But again, like वो बचपन की, especially you know when you talk about school में क्या करते थे, college में क्या करते थे, all the girls trip that we've taken.
Yeah.
I mean, we can't share it here.
Of course, yeah, but yeah, incidents we've had. I have done my bachelorette there in Bangkok, so we've had great memories.
Some crazy and great memories.
Yeah, that's true. And I think one thing great about this is at least we have each other. We've been friends for over, what, 20 years? Yeah, approximately. Yeah, 20 years. And
we lost touch.
Yes.
Yeah, but then
During
again,
COVID,
we bounced back like we never lost touch.
We never lost.
It was when you and I met after that long break.
Yeah.
It was never like that
we
awkward silence or कुछ भी नहीं था. We bounced back because वो, you know, that friendship, and we've had some crazy times. Like to Bangkok नहीं, to Hong Kong से आती थी. I would come from Bangkok. We would meet in summer holidays and do.
Yeah, we used to have
fun stuff. Yeah.
Yes. So I think probably because of that, our work is also working out because we don't have that sort of obligations between us, and which is great. Again, it keeps us going. But I think now when you look at the way we relax or enjoy is very different, don't you think, compared to that of...
Especially I feel like me, because I was a person जिसको ना बस बाहर रहने दो. मेरे को घर नहीं जाना.
Yeah, that's true.
I was that person.
You've changed a lot. I mean, so have I. But you've changed like a lot.
मेरे को घर नहीं जाना, मुझे बस घर से बाहर रहना.
Yeah.
And now I'm just like मुझे घर रहना है.
Yeah.
Like please.
But I honestly think it's a blessing in disguise to have everything shut down at 12 now.
I swear.
You don't feel like you don't have that FOMO or missing out on anything. You have to be home on a proper time because everything is closing down. So it sort of feels nice, and it's actually not right to say it, but it feels nice कि everything is shutting down, so you have no choice.
I feel it definitely is. It's working out for the best, at least for us.
Yeah.
क्योंकि पहले याद है 4 o'clock कहाँ चलना है?
Oh God,
4 a.m. कहाँ चले?
हाँ, कहाँ चले? मतलब literally it's like it's not the end yet.
Yeah,
that's true. I think it's good कि अब थोड़ा सा, and don't you think people are actually getting into this now?
Yeah.
Wellness, health, ये सब अब लोगों को थोड़ा strike हो रहा है.
Like I really want to go on a retreat.
Yes, me too. Where there's it's attractive now to see all of that, the sound bowl and all that.
कि क्या लोगे?
Phone नहीं है?
How? No, it's not possible. Yeah. But now I want to do that cleanse, that wo khana, that yoga, the meditation, and just being with yourself.
And I don't think it's because of the age. I think it's just even the younger ones are sort of into this now. You see a lot of people are now health conscious. They're not drinking. They're not eating not right. They're working out. I think all of this is happening because of a certain shift in the society. Probably, I don't know, mental wellness वगैरह सब अब बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया है.
But also, I think mental wellness के बारे में there's a lot more awareness also.
100%, yeah. You can give this credit to celebrities or even to various communities who are working on it, but definitely बहुत हो गया है.
But it's very important also. It's very important to be happy mentally wherever you are.
Yeah, 100%. I think वो एक कहीं ना कहीं उसका awareness ही नहीं था. शायद अपने को भी नहीं था when we were younger. We didn't
But also,
realize.
do you think it worked out that नहीं था?
Yeah, you can see that.
I mean, of course, mental awareness is very, very important. And if people are going through something mentally and they're seeking help for it, that's amazing. That's great. But I think this is with the younger generation. Like, you know, at the age of 12, at the age of 13, they feel that they're depressed. जो अपने time में नहीं था. We didn't know what depression was. Or we just thought depression is like बड़े लोगों की चीज़.
I mean, in a way, it's great for people who don't actually have it, and they would probably use it as a cover, 100%. But I think it's also doing a lot good in the society, because kahin na kahin, there are a lot of young people who are going through a lot because of family, parents, friends, whatever that's happening in the world right now. And I think they require to...
I think the taboo is kind of fading away, which is a great thing, because it's very important to seek help. That's definitely there. But also, like, you know, around my son, he's 4. I really try hard that I don't use words like I'm stressed. Or I am not okay. Because bachpan se to expose them also, I feel ki ho sakta hai this will kind of it might kind of carry forward with them.
Leave a mark on him.
So it's very, very good that people are seeking help, but also we have to be very conscious of our environment where we are talking about this, especially not the younger ones, I feel.
No, that's true. I think phones is one thing which is ruining a lot of pure brain. Like, all the purity in one's brain is being ruined by social media. But again, social media has its goods and its bads.
I mean, I think Apna Kaam exists because there is social media.
This is all existing because there's social media.
Exactly.
And a lot of people are getting employment because of this. So, I think goods and bads hai.
Definitely, but balance.
Balance, yeah.
I mean, having said that, I am always on my phone and I know it's wrong. But sometimes you just feel like, you know, like my sister, I'll tell you, I don't know how she does it, but every 2 months she goes on a social cleanse, social detox, where she will just delete Instagram. And I was like, how do you do it? If I don't know what others are doing, मेरा तो दिन ही नहीं चले. And her reply is as pure as like, वो अपनी life में क्या कर रही है, उससे मेरी life में कोई effect नहीं हो रहा है. So I think I'm too much on my phone and I'm deleting it.
No,
so that's sort of balance.
Which is very rare. Very, very rare.
I can't do it.
No, that's true. I think मेरे लिए social media is so important because all the fields that I am requires me to be on social media. If I am not on my phone, if I'm not doing a specific thing, it's going to take me back where it comes to my store, whether it comes to labels, whether it comes to the podcast. Like, we actually did stop doing podcasts for like a while, and it did feel like, okay, अपन ने कुछ नहीं किया, there's no activity. So I think that's one thing that अपन लोग उसके वजह से भी phone avoid नहीं कर सकते. And the rest is, of course, checking things out.
Yeah, no, definitely. Most of our work involves social media. Most of the work, I think, जो आजकल चल रहा would not exist if it wasn't for social media. But I think maintaining a balance. You remember how we got married like 10 years back? And how that has changed now.
Oh yeah, drastically. I think honestly, I'm actually blessed that we got married 10 years back. There wasn't a lot of baggage. There wasn't a lot of eyes on you. You didn't have to do shoots. You didn't have to do God knows what all.
What label you're wearing, your makeup artist, your venue.
Shadow. You didn't have all of that.
Your cousins, your sister, your brothers were your shadows.
And technically, they should be your shadow. If you don't have a best friend who can be your shadow, if you don't have your sister who can be your shadow, what's the entire point?
Now the sister has a separate shadow.
Yeah.
Your best friend also might need a shadow.
Yeah.
So yeah, that thing, like, you know, the involvement. It's somewhere going away. I think even when you're attending weddings, it's not like it's not like dulha dulhan ke liye you are attending. You're kind of attending it for yourself.
Yeah, I remember there was this friend of mine who was getting married, and uski entry thi. And literally, actually, she was like to the rest of us, we friends were really excited ki acha chalo entry hai. It was like a few years after mine, so we were like, okay, great, uski entry and all that. She actually told the event guys ki, can you please ask my friends to be away because I need to enter in a certain way and it has to be short. So we friends were just like, okay.
But now if you hear that, you're like, okay, fine.
Yeah, now it's like a thing because wo entry puri record hoegi and everything. But that time we were just like, seriously, I mean, like, we want to be there for you. There've been brides who don't want to disclose their first look to their friends. They want
it to be on the same day.
In a particular way. Like, I mean, of course, I mean, I think each to its own. But I would really want...
But the involvement is sort of losing, Parul, I
Yeah.
feel, in the whole process. It's like everything's for the gram, I feel.
Yeah.
Everything, your entry. I mean, like, I think there's pressure on the dulha to cry.
हाँ. Pressure हो गया है.
Yeah.
अपने बीच में अपने वक्त ये भी नहीं था. I mean, like, there was no such thing as कि oh, there's some... Maybe this is also because of celebrities and all, yeah. I mean, वो एक...
Times have changed and times are gonna keep changing. But I just really enjoyed our time.
Yeah. Who do you actually think had the best wedding when it comes to celebrities?
Celebrities. Honestly, I feel like Virat and Anushka were the OG.
Yeah, they were OG. Yeah, true.
Yeah. So it all started after that.
100%, yeah. But still, I don't think they also had that entry sort of a thing, no?
No, I don't think when they were like doing all of this, कि उनको I'm
ऐसा
sure they must
purposeful नहीं
yes.
था. हाँ.
उनको नहीं लगा हुआ कि ये सब हो जाएगा.
हाँ.
But it was really them, and you know the concept of like small weddings.
Yeah, intimate.
Yeah.
Honestly, I thought COVID के वक्त ये हो जाएगा. Like this is going to be a thing. Like I have had one cousin sister's wedding during COVID, and I think that was the best wedding ever. Like I have such a huge khandan, so to have like intimate people, you're like stage पे भी सब लोग एक साथ बैठे हैं. You know, everything is happening very intimately. All of that was actually very very nice. जो कि अपन
अब तो
बनियों
अब
की मारवाड़ी
नहीं
शादियों
अब गया.
में-
Now
Yeah.
I think people are over COVID.
Yeah. अब I think COVID के बाद actually बड़ा हो गया है सब कुछ. Like everything has become extravagant.
Yeah, I mean they're having like people are calling just like a DJ or a singer for the barat.
Yeah. There've been
You know, so I think they're doing all sorts of crazy things. But also, I feel even now there are like age. So you know, people who are getting married around 30, they're I think a bit more mellow.
Yeah.
कि छोटा करते हैं, let's keep it simple.
Yeah. Would I be with all this? I mean, I understand that you want to look your best, you want to look the bride, but I don't know if I want to put my comfort at stake. I mean, like definitely लहंगा वैसे ही भारी होते हैं, मेकअप वैसे ही तुम पे होता है, ज्वेलरी तुम बहुत पहने हुए हो, तो आई डोंट थिंक लाइक ऐसा कोई कॉन्सेप्ट है कि जिससे तुम्हें ब्राइड नहीं लगोगे. बट एंड ऑफ कोर्स द ब्राइड ग्लो, बट आई डोंट नो हाउ ओके वुड आई बी टू गो आउट ऑफ द वे टू डू दीज थिंग्स.
That's true, but also you know so we're done with like we're 10 years old now, but I don't know how would we be if we were to get married now. Would we still be under the pressure, the social pressure, or would we just do it our way?
No, I think we would be a little bit under the social pressure.
Yeah.
I mean, like, at least अगर अपन नहीं तो जो इवेंट वाले होते अपने या
कितनी तो थीम होती है यार.
वो ही शायद थोड़ा प्रेशर क्रिएट कर देते कि नहीं ये चल रहा है, ये नहीं चल रहा है, ये फैशन में है, ये नहीं है. I'm sure even if you go to a label and get your stuff done, get your stuff made, they would have only created this entire pressure. Makeup artist रखते तो वही उसकी रील बनाती, तो वो ये टैग करा देती, ये पहनना है.
अपन ने तो सोचा ही नहीं था, ठीक है हाँ जयपुर में ये बेस्ट है, चलो
इससे कर. And honestly, we were following what our in-laws even said or our parents said. उन लोगों ने बात कर ली, उन लोगों ने डिसाइड कर लिया, okay, let's just do that. It's actually, I think, difficult for our parents to also deal with such brides now. I mean, like to really not have so much say. Because they know
yeah, the bride and the groom have all the say.
They have all the say. I don't think मेरे वक्त तो मुझे मेरी entry भी नहीं पता थी. Like when I was just getting on the whole, like I was getting in the banquet, like getting in the garden, मेरी entry हो रही थी. I had no idea. And not like I was stressing over it. Because I knew that okay, if my parents and the event guy is planning it, तो उन्होंने कुछ सोच समझ के किया होगा. I mean, it's not going to be something which is going to affect me so much.
No, but everything's, I think, it's for the gram now.
Yeah.
So, you know, you're taking your reels, things have been are being shot in a particular way कि ये angle सही रहेगा, ये नहीं रहेगा, the songs, this and that. I think there's a lot of pressure. While if I compare it to our times, it was just simple. 2 दिन 3 दिन का event है, उससे पहले सब घर पे होता है.
हाँ.
You know, more involvement.
More involvement. Did we have Instagram our time?
We did, but इतना नहीं था. Like no hashtags and इतना crazy कुछ नहीं था. Of course, there was Instagram, but not.
So how do you think fashion has changed for you in the past 10 years or so?
I feel it's really, really important to dress according to your age.
Huh.
More comfortable, definitely.
Yeah.
Better fabrics, definitely.
Yeah.
And पहले ना क्या होता था, I think when we moved, we had to sort of change what we were wearing, right? कि जो वहाँ पहन रहे हैं, and we were always very cautious of what we were wearing, you know, in our in-laws' house and all of that. I don't think that exists anymore.
No, it doesn't. I think I have not recently heard brides even asking their in-laws what I should wear at home or whether I can work. These were a few questions जो अपने time पे was to be asked, to be discussed, and it used to be like, oh,
But don't you think it's liberating to
definitely
like not think and just be yourself?
Yeah.
Like you need to feel home ना. Like I don't get the concept of people saying कि मैं ससुराल में ये पहन सकती हूँ, पियर में ये पहन सकती हूँ.
Also I think actually अपन लोग ना अपने को ये समझ थी, probably because of upbringing, that what are few things that you cannot wear, not because you're at your in-laws, but just because you cannot wear it in front of elders. And ये समझ I don't think a lot of लड़कियों में
No,
होती
I think
है.
even like Gen Zs, you know,
Yeah.
we would like just an example like when we were in front of our elders, we just take a shrug and wear it
हाँ.
over. Just
Yeah,
कि
even
नहीं-
if it's parents, even if it's
कि
मामा मामी चाचा
सुनना
चाची,
नहीं है.
हाँ
Just simple reason कि सुनना नहीं और हमें किसी को आंसर नहीं करना.
हाँ हाँ.
अब की जनरेशन इज लाइक इफ आई एम नॉट फीलिंग सेफ एट होम.
मेरे को मेंटल प्रेशर हो रहा है.
हाँ वो
Depression हो रहा है.
वो भी उनकी साइड से आई थिंक वो ठीक है. आई मीन दैट्स हाउ द वर्ल्ड इज राइट नाउ. बट अपन ये सोचते थे कि क्यों बिना फालतू में चिक चिक करें.
Yeah.
लेट्स जस्ट
Make things right.
5 minutes, it's a matter of 5 minutes. Let's just, you know, arrange things in a
things.
way they
Yeah.
like to see.
I remember when I got married, Shrey's in like Dada Dadi was still there, and again very young, very different families. I have actually had those stitched saris. So I used to wear westerns, and I used to put those stitched saris on.
Yeah.
And I used to take it off in the car or in the lift to go out, like even just to wear jeans or something like that. So I've had those times also, which honestly I think organically ही change हुआ है. ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ है that I've sat down and spoken to my in-laws and been like कि अब मैं ये पहन लूँ क्या, अब मैं ये कर लूँ क्या. Organically only things started to change, like organically from that to suit to westerns to now anything. So I think organic shift हुआ है.
Anything.
Like generally जो अब तो start ही anything से होता है कि अब मैं anything पहन सकती हूँ. So definitely I think even our age getting married now, उनके भी ऐसा नहीं है कि अपनी age की वजह से ये है. Just the time.
I feel that even our in-laws वाला generation, they are like more comfortable wearing westerns. I think वो भी liberate हुआ है.
100%. They have honestly सबसे ज़्यादा पिसी उनकी generation है. Like
Yeah.
they've had to deal with in-laws who were so pressurizing, and then they had to deal with our generation who wanted to just feel free.
Yeah.
So yeah, पिसी हैं
So
definitely.
वो भी I feel अब थोड़ा liberated feel करते होंगे.
100%. Yeah.
So ये definitely रहा है. But I think now even in India, I feel like the fashion game has really changed.
Oh, it's up. But I think maybe because of celebrity influence, social media, and stylists now, the
Yeah.
concept of having stylists and all this, definitely fashion game has really,
मतलब तू
really.
ये देखना that we have so many brands who can actually compete with Zara and H&M.
Oh yeah, homegrown brands. अपन तो
Homegrown.
देखते हैं अपने show में every single time we have new brands, every single
And
edition.
they're all like nice brands.
Yeah.
कि, you know, you want to buy from them.
You want to buy from them. And I remember half the time तो अपने को ये लगता है कि अच्छा ये जयपुर से है. Because of their online presence, you don't even know where they're from.
Yeah.
And when we figure out कि अच्छा अपन बिल जयपुर का बना रहे हैं, that's when we figure out
Yeah.
कि अच्छा ये जयपुर brands
Exactly.
है.
So पहले for me one of the best parts about going to Bangkok would be the shopping.
Yeah.
Definitely अभी भी है. There is a certain charm, you know, when you buy from
Oh,
like
yeah.
different countries. There is. पर अब ऐसा लगता नहीं है कि you need
हाँ,
that. I
need
think
वाला scene.
India has a lot of
Oh
options.
yes, India has a lot of options. Brands are doing a great job. They know what people now want, and of course, fashion sense has changed for people.
Again because of Instagram.
Instagram, yes, 100%. And even at my store, I feel like पहले मुझे जाना पड़ता था constantly Hong Kong कि oh I have to get things for my store. I used to constantly be going. I used to travel like 3 times, twice a year at least. And now मेरे को वो भयंकर necessity नहीं लगती है because there are brands who are making those things that I can keep at my store. So yeah, definitely I think.
In fact, I feel fabric wise, no, maybe India is better because we have a lot of cotton here.
Yes, we do. Yeah, sustainable clothing.
Yeah,
वगैरह
Bihar
सब
I think still very synthetic.
synthetic. Yeah, you have to really hunt for things outside.
So I don't think, and of course celebrities have to do a lot
yeah.
here because सब उनको ही देख के everyone's dressing
हाँ,
up.
dressing up. Celebrities हो गए या even influencers.
Yeah.
Like dude, Kusha Kapila यार.
I know what a transformation.
What a transformation. I mean, like if.
I mean, I don't think anyone could have ever imagined Kusha the way she's looking and the way she's. I think even her new venture.
Yeah, is
I mean,
doing
it's,
great.
It's very smart
And
marketing.
you know, she actually started marketing first
Yeah.
before announcing that she's starting a brand like this.
That was Very smart of her.
Very, very smart. I think that's one thing we keep having an issue about. Like every single edition, we have to come up with something new to like really make an impact or to get people like.
But I think we've been very successful in doing that.
Yes.
I think last time we had like a painting session. This time we had like a meditation session. Usse pehle we were like doing some coffee parties, tea parties. So I think we've managed. Yeah, we've managed.
हमें अपने को सारे ideas एकदम random आते हैं. Like the whole loyalty card thing also that we did was great. It worked amazing. And
but it honestly makes sense. People who are coming to the show, people who are giving you time, spending there.
Yeah.
I think to get a reward for them is it's something that makes sense. I think that could honestly encourage people कि यार हाँ ठीक है चलो कुछ तो मिलता है.
कुछ तो मिलता है, yeah, that's true. And genuinely I feel exhibitors भी अभी recognize करते हैं. Like I have had few exhibitors coming up to us and saying stuff like, you know, you really put your heart and soul to get people to get the footfall, and we really do. I think I understand that everyone works hard. Like there are brands, there are some organizers who've been in this trade for over 10 years now, and I'm sure they still work hard. ऐसा नहीं कर रहे हैं. But we really put our heart and soul. We don't just look at what we are making. It's more of like,
we want everyone to be happy.
Yes, we do want everyone to be happy.
Yeah.
And I think it sort of upsets you when you feel
even if you get one negative comment, it's upsetting. But now I think we have realized कि सबको नहीं खुश कर सकते, because no matter how hard you try, no matter what you do, there are going to be people who are just going to be like, unhappy and unsatisfied all the time.
100%. And I feel as organizers also, we like to attend other shows.
Yeah, it's I think very important to see what your contemporaries are doing. And it's also very good to appreciate what people are doing.
100% motivating. I think the fact that there's some organizers who come to our show and meet us makes us feel really nice, and especially because we're so young compared to those people.
No, but Parul, I think that's the thing, no? Even people like, I really appreciate who are like, who've been in this field for even 15-20 years, coming to the show and telling what you girls are doing is amazing. It's really like pat on our shoulder कि we're doing something right, that ये लोग हमको पहचान रहे हैं. And always it's really, I feel like it's always good to appreciate.
100%.
It's very good to be thankful, and it's very, very good to just tell people that you're doing great.
Yeah, and I'm sure there are some organizers who feel like शायद नहीं करना चाहिए, शायद नहीं बोलना चाहिए, but
each to its own.
But
we both of us are not
like that. I think we've attended almost all the shows. I'm specifically talking about someone, but whatever. We've appreciated. I think we're gonna get there when we're like, अपन इसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. But
like खुन्नस निकाल.
But but no, honestly, I think brands में भी shift देखा है.
Yeah, definitely.
We've seen.
Definitely. अभी तक it's been एक हफ्ता हो गया show को. I just met someone yesterday and they were like, I enjoyed your show because all the brands were like different. सब कुछ था सबके लिए. And it's something कि आप आओ तो you'll definitely buy
pick up something. Yeah. And I feel अपना भी buying sense change हो गया है. Don't you think? Like पहले मुझे ऐसा लगता था, राखी आ रही है, let's look for a good suit, look for a good cord set. मतलब कुछ ऐसा जो हल्का सा Indianish है. Now I think I'm looking out for things which is fusion.
More variable.
Like जिसकी थोड़ा सा.
I think we are all like, we want something जिसको अपन variation. You want something versatile. कि ये pants इसके साथ पहन लिया, ये वो, so.
Yeah, I think वो बहुत change हो गया है अब. वो concepts change हो गए हैं.
Like Alia Bhatt, she wore her wedding sari for her, I think the award she was getting.
Award, I think,
yeah. So a lot of like, I remember growing up, I would hear like, I don't repeat clothes.
Yeah.
But now it's cool to repeat clothes.
It's cool, yeah. And if celebrities are doing it, I'm sure. जबकि इनके आधे कपड़े तो देखा जाए तो stylist वाले हैं, so they're borrowed. But when it comes to these people also, they are also repetitive now, which is great.
I think it's sustainable. It makes sense. If you're spending so much money or something, at least उसको 4 बार तो पहनोगे.
Yeah. And styling has become a thing. So I think people are now well aware of how to reuse a shirt, how to reuse something that they've bought.
In multiple ways.
Yeah. And do you know any celebrity who you think, of course Alia to hai, but any celebrity you think is doing crazy with its fashion game?
See, I've always loved Kareena Kapoor's fashion. I think it's so her.
Yeah.
It's so like, you'll see her all decked up for a red carpet, and then you'll just see her in like a very baggy t-shirt and like a just trousers, her thing with no makeup on. It's something very fresh to see her. For me, I think it's Kareena Kapoor.
I think for me it's Priyanka Chopra. I think
you have a
I have a
crush on her.
Major girl crush on her. I think everyone who knows me, they specifically know if there's one person who I would love to take an interview of is definitely Priyanka Chopra. She's someone who I idolize, and I think kahin na kahin she has really managed to keep that Indian essence in her despite of being in the West. And chaise wo fashion game ho, I've never seen her like, even in her regular Instagram posts or stories, she's not overly decked up. She's always in her, in her element. Which is great. And I'm actually, honestly, when she got married and stuff, I was just like, okay, but it's great to see them together and they're doing great.
Yeah, they are definitely.
Definite couple goals.
Yes.
So which celebrity do you think is doing great with her fashion game?
Celebrity as a couple, I think I like Sid Kiara.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. I mean, Deepika and Ranveer, I think they're just too opposite, too loud. But Sid Kiara as a couple.
Yeah. That's true. And I think वो इतना limelight में भी नहीं है. Like they don't stay so much in the limelight also. You don't see them.
Same with Katrina and Vicky Kaushal. I don't think there's any interview that they've given together also.
No. Yeah, they're not. ज़्यादा भयंकर PDA भी नहीं है. Which is good. It's believable.
Yeah,
that's true. What I feel with time, ये celebrities भी थोड़ा irritate हो रहे हैं with the whole PDA and stuff like that. So I guess they're also doing their thing, which is great. Yeah.
But also I think if you talk about fashion, I think Meera Kapoor.
Oh yeah. Not coming from this industry, like not coming from the Bollywood industry. But yes, for sure. I mean, she's wearing great. She carried her weight also really well, like when she had it. And she got married really young also, like our age.
I think probably younger than us.
Yeah. So she's really maintained that really well. Yeah.
See, yours was a love marriage. So how was it like? Shaadi ke baad, was it different? Like, what did Shrey change? You feel like he could?
Honestly, Shrey is a better husband than he was a boyfriend. Honestly, and I think even he didn't know half the things जो उसकी family में होते हैं. I had made him realize कि you guys do this, you guys do that. तुम्हारे में ये norms हैं. This is how your family's mentality is. This is what they're thinking. This is what they expect. He was clueless. So definitely, like I said, very young, got married, adjusted to things. Of course, if it would have been now, maybe I would have been more rebellious. But again, she was very supportive. My in-laws were ready to change. There were a lot of things which they had to alter, I'm sure. See, it's never about only the girl adjusting.
Definitely.
When you have a new girl coming in the family, उनको भी बहुत दिमाग में चीज़ें होती है which they have to change, which they have to alter, and they did it. Even Shrey's Dada Dadi, they even did it in a very great job. Like they did not, it didn't feel like they were overdoing it or they were forced to do it. They did a superb job with adjusting to a girl who has come from Hong Kong, who's come from a very different family culture. So it was great, and of course Shrey was very supportive. He knew what I wanted to hear. He knew what they wanted to hear. He was a great middleman. So, yeah.
That's, I think, we talk about just girls adjusting, but I feel it's not easy for the boys also.
100%, yeah.
Because they are the one who actually have to keep the balance between the in-laws and the wife. Yeah. And like you said, they are the middlemen, and it sometimes can be really frustrating.
Yeah.
कि मैं किसकी सुनूं, किसका side लूं, उनकी जगह वो भी ठीक है, इसकी जगह ये भी ठीक है. It's just the generational gap or whatever it is.
Yeah.
So I think like with Tanmay, I feel like we've grown together. Because proper arranged marriage.
Yes.
A girl coming from Bangkok, adjusting into the family, was very difficult. I'll not lie, it was not all, like there were times where I would just cry to myself sometimes. Because it was very new, coming from a nuclear family to a joint family. Yeah. It was not easy, but again, I think it's never about just one person.
Yeah.
My family helped me a lot to adjust as well. And I'll have to give it to Tanmay here that he was great.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah, he was great at, just the transformation. Now it's like if कोई बात होती है ना, he'll tell me कि ये जाके बोल देना.
Yeah.
They will tell me कि ये जाके बोल देना.
Yeah, you've become the middle person now. Yeah, that's true. Yeah. I remember when you first met Tanmay, I remember I think you had met him once. I remember Mami, your whole family was like, okay, there's this guy. अपन छुट्टियों में आए हुए थे, there was this guy, oh, you're seeing and stuff. So we were just, I was just like, are you serious? Like, arranged marriage karna hai teko and all of that. And you went and met Tanmay, I think. And I think तुम लोग का थोड़ा सा ऐसा हो रहा था कि मैं हाँ बोलूँ या ना बोलूँ. And I remember meeting Tanmay at Statue Circle.
OTH.
OTH?
OTH.
Okay, yeah. I remember OTH मिले थे. And it was so new. It was the very first time I was meeting कोई friend का to be husband अगर हाँ हो जाती तो. And it was really funny. It was a lot of fun. Honestly, it felt like a coffee with a friend.
Yeah, it was fun. But honestly, like, Tanmay just met one girl, that was me. I met one guy, that was him. So and honestly, मैंने I think अपने cousins के लिए ना ज़्यादा लड़की और लड़के देखे हुए हैं.
Yeah.
कि उनके लिए लड़की देखनी चल रही है, इनके लिए लड़के देखने चलना है.
Yeah.
So I don't know what was happening.
Yeah. It was fun, but it was definitely scary. You didn't know.
It was like, yeah, I was playing blind.
Yeah. And how was the reaction of your friends back there?
They were just like, are you mad?
Yeah.
Like, what's wrong with you? Like, what is wrong with you?
I can imagine.
And I was like, no, it's happening. But now I think, just first trip, Tanmay's first trip to Bangkok after we got married, they understood ki, he's just like one of us.
Yeah.
So it was not very like, there was no formality with him. It was very just like
easy,
going with the flow sort of a thing.
Yeah. No, that's true. I think same with me, because I was dating Shay, so everyone had heard of him. Of course, वो Hong Kong नहीं आया था उससे पहले, तो nobody had met him. Just a few friends जो जयपुर से हैं, they had met him. And as soon as and there was a lot of hana happening in my family, and after a year or so.
Yeah, yours was a little bit of a struggle.
Yeah. After a year or so, hui. And I remember when I called my closest friends and my best friend, and I was just like, okay, guys, ho gaye. They weren't happy. They were like, okay, theek hai, ho gayi hai to. I think they were just like, is she sure? Like, does she really want to do this?
Yeah.
Or is it just because she's shifted to a new place and she feels like कि और कोई है नहीं, तो might as well just get married to that one person, something like that. So there was that sort of they were like skeptical कि क्या हो रहा है, क्या ये करना चाहिए.
We were very young.
We were very young, and like, so were they.
So were they, and I know it was very difficult for my sister also because I moved so fast, and it was really difficult for my best friend also.
Yeah, and
because I think we were just always with each other. उठते थे तो कॉल होता था, सोते थे तो कॉल होता था, दिन में 10 बार कॉल होते थे, and then all of that changes suddenly.
Yeah, that's true.
And when you're married, no, you get very busy. उनकी life तो वही है. So but despite those shifts and everything, it's still the same.
It's still the same, and I think now Shay goes to Hong Kong more than I do because work के हिसाब से मैं नहीं जा पाती. He goes for the show, and the relationship he has with my friends, my best friend, it's commendable. It's amazing how everyone keeps in touch with him. When I'm not there, they take care of him as if he's one of them.
Yeah.
Like I don't have to. मुझे कुछ करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ती. It's amazing कि outsider होके भी वो उनका ही
part है. It's a part of it now.
Yeah. So it's great. I think very, very welcoming, very warm, which makes it better for us also. Don't you think it's a lot of fun to see?
I think there's a lot of pressure, and I know friends जिनके like best friends हैं, but husbands don't
get along.
Yeah, I think that's not sad. A good situation to be in.
Definitely, very, very sad. And the fact that we keep doing girls trip and all also. I mean, our family and our husbands are so okay with it. I think साल में मैं इतने trips Shay के साथ नहीं करती जितने trips मैं अपने girlfriends के साथ करती.
And it's very important for us.
Very important
to have that one trip once a year also if we are able to manage that. For me, I have a break right now because of kids and everything. But I think it's so liberating just to be with girls.
Yeah, definitely. And I think boys should also do.
It's very important.
लड़कों को भी जाना चाहिए. Go for your boys trip.
एक trip होना चाहिए husband का और एक trip होना चाहिए wife का. It's mandatory trips होनी चाहिए.
Yeah, for sure. And that ways it's great. I think we've been blessed. We have the work right. We have the husbands right. We have great supportive in-laws, parents and everything. And
husbands are good friends, such good friends.
Yes.
Imagine if they didn't, they would not.
Imagine. So I think अपना भी वही case है ना, like we've been friends and we've been wanting कि अपने husbands भी get along करें, which is great. I think.
Yeah, at the time I know if Tanmay is on call, he's either with you or Shay.
Yeah, that's true. So it's I think great that we've got it all right.
Yes, and we've been blessed. We've definitely, we should be very, very thankful for all that we have and all that we are achieving. And all that we want to achieve.
And I'm sure कुछ करेंगे और. I mean, we
definitely
think of
कुछ बड़ा तो
करना ही है. But great. I'm glad we did this for Friendships Day.
And it just made sense, 3 years, Friendships Day.
And we've been wanting to do this, so it's great.
I think ever since we saw this set.
Yeah, that's true. It's great that ये Friendships Day पे कर रहे हैं. I think girls should realize that it's very important to have a girl with you who you can really just call. Aadhe time I remember we were like, okay, let's discuss about podcasts. We talked about podcasts for like 10 minutes, and the rest of the 2 hours we were talking about bullshit things.
की बातें.
So I think it's great
that girl friendships are pure. It's very important, and I think everyone should have that one person they can rely on. Even you need that one person if you want to like talk about your husband also.
100%.
You need that one person.
Yes, for sure. And I'm glad we have each other.
We really do.
So I mean everyone should. So great.
Yes.
Okay. So happy Friendships Day.
Happy Friendships Day. Yes. Okay.